with this set of 4 15-ounce ice cream cups. 4 of them, right? So like the old-fashioned, just like you would have if you went to like get a sundae at like those old-fashioned diners and they do them in the glass. But now with your favorite Temp-tations, motifs, and themes right on the glass, including this one right over here.
That's the ice cream.
Which we are calling ice cream.
Yes, how cute is that? Like if you have grandchildren, this becomes a tradition that every time they come to your house, there you have them. These were always made in glass, Alberti. Now we have them in stone where you're getting the set of 4, as we mentioned. So 15 ounces with the pedestal, all individually hand painted, and now they're stoneware. So where glass was pretty to look at, this actually keeps things colder longer and hotter longer. So come on in for the ice cream cups because these are so stinking cute.
All right, so let's show you all the different patterns that we have because these are wonderful. This is the best idea in the world.
Wait till we get there.
This is
brilliant,
the best
right?
idea in the whole entire world. Do you see this?
Ice cream cups that now become decor and more.
That's crazy cool.
Yes.
All right, so we do have for you, so we're only showing you 2 of each here, but you get 4. This one over here is our old world, and that is your confetti. 900 to go around. There it is in the blue old world, 300. Green old world, 200. Gray in the floral lace, 250. Red in the floral lace, 600. This one is your cranberry in the floral lace, 400. Black floral lace, 380. And there's your cobalt blue, 1,000. Come down over here, you're gonna see our seasonals as well as our woodland. So right over here, I want to start with the patriotic, 620. These are our beach umbrellas.
How cute
I know these are
those?
beautiful.
I want to drink a margarita out of that.
Jen, my line producer, just said, so cute.
Oh, Jen, thank you.
Only, how many to go around? 280. This is your ice cream, 150, going very quickly. We've got your 2 doodle doos, one in black, 400, and then you can choose the red, 800, and then here's your woodland in white, 1,000, in the buttercream, only 500 to go around. Okay, 82734 is your item number. Remember, it is a set of 4, so it breaks down to less than $7 per ice cream, mug, glass. Oh my gosh.
Right.
Yes.
Right.
That
so
is amazing
there is
right
a
there.
great French fry place down at the beach that we love to go.
Is this how they serve them?
Thrashers.
I love
This is how they serve them. So this was kind of that whole inspiration, that elevated look of, it doesn't just have to be cold. This is what I wanted to explain to you. The fact that you can actually serve right in here. I took this right out of the oven. They go in the oven up to 500 degrees. And then like, look at even leftovers, right?
Oh, yeah.
I forget who was telling me, but their kids eat better when it's more interesting, right?
Oh,
so
of course.
if you can put the food in there and make it look cute, this is such a great way to do that. Now, here's what Alberti was talking about, and that was
Decor.
the uniqueness of this, right?
Wow.
You can flip these over, right? And use them now as pedestals. Everyone has flameless candles or candles of some sort. Now, look how we did this. Then we used them as little bud vases. You could put those down the center of your table.
So this is one set.
This is one set.
One set of 4. 2 of them you used as vases. 2 of them you used as candle pedestals.
Yeah.
And now you have decor from the 4 glasses that maybe you're not using to serve ice cream in.
Right.
And then right over here, your favorite beverages. This little blue drink is calling my name, whatever it is.
And the pink little polka dot straw. I'm all in.
I know. I'm all about this whole scenario.
Every drink should have an umbrella.
Yes,
okay,
exactly.
Saying,
I mean, it would.
there you go.
I think the world would be a very happy place if everybody had an umbrella in their drink. But these are the moments that everybody remembers.
You're right.
Right. These
Absolutely.
are the moments. So today we have it for you at a sale price, and we're very excited that we have a brand new item, right, like this, at a sale price because this just launched this week.
Yes, just on Sunday was the first time that you saw it, and here's what I love about it. Nice, tall, 15 ounces in total capacity.
That's
beautiful
great.
height. So this is root beer floats. This is like ice cream sundaes. These are the memories that I had growing up, going to the diner with my parents. It was always in glass, and I wanted to recreate them into stoneware because I think there's pieces we're always looking to layer in.
Well, yeah.
And make those memories, right? Like I said, with your grandkids coming over, you always get out these ice cream cups. They're like, where are the ice cream cups?
By the way, the stoneware keeps it colder longer.
Or warmer longer, right?
Yeah,
Yes.
exactly. But how about this? Like maybe you put this this glass in the freezer.
Love.
Let it get really, really, really cold. Serve your ice cream from that. But how about a beer?
I was just going to say, it becomes a beer
Yeah,
stein.
a little adult beverage in there, nice and freezing
These could
cold.
be water glasses when you're, setting your table.
Like
I'm always
giant
looking
goblets.
for interest, right? Yes, they become goblets, 15 ounces.
All right, come on over here really quickly. Remember, you get the set of 4. We've got 500 people placing orders. We're showing you them in 2s up here. This is your Old World in confetti. There is your green. There is your blue in that confetti. Here I have it for you in the Old World, gray, red, cranberry. There's your cobalt blue. Down over here, I've got patriotic. Then I have for you the beach umbrellas. This one is your ice cream, fewer than 100. We've got Doodle Doo in red and black, and we've got the Woodland in white and buttercream.
Stunning.
Okay, 82734 is your item number. Check those out of your shopping cart while we have them for you. Okay, let's talk to you about this though. So I walked
so
onto
much
the
in the
set.
show.